So here's how we can change Safari to the dark mode. So let me give you some options on how you can make it work. If you're new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, if you open up Safari, then the best way to initiate a dark mode is to change it for the whole device. You can find it in the control center either as a separate toggle for dark mode only, or if you hold down on the brightness controller, there is as well the dark mode hidden there, so you can enable it as such, and it will apply to all apps and like the whole device, which also includes Safari naturally. So that's what you can do as well. And now every single thing is going to be like this darker tone, like the tabs or all of the other stuff will be like that. However, there are even more subtle ways to make the appearance look a little darker. A good example is the background image on a new tab, because if you open up the new tab, you'll see a background which is selected. Like when you click on the edit button right there, you can either enable it or disable it. Like if you turn it off, then the background will be either black or white, so I guess that would be an option as well. Or you can permanently decide that there is going to be like a nice darker looking background either from these options, or you can upload one from your gallery which will be there all the time, meaning that the new tab will always have a distinct look which would be of the darker tone or a dark color. So that is definitely something which you can play with, and definitely give it a try to see if you find that thing to be working better. But that would be all from me. I hope I can help you out and assist you with this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.